Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you another recipe. There's lots of ice creams out there that are like lower calorie or high protein or whatever, but I find this one has like the best texture. It's like soft serve and it's really good, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And it's something you can make with just a few ingredients at home, so let's get into it. So this recipe only requires 5 ingredients, and a lot of them you're already going to have at home, and then you also need a blender. So let me get my blender. This is gonna be another like super quick video because this only takes a few minutes. I got my blender here, and then what you're going to need is a banana, some dairy-free ice cream. No, that's not what you need. What you're going to need is 1 banana, some dairy-free milk, a scoop of protein powder, xanthan gum, and ice. And that's it. So I'm gonna start off with the banana. If you really want to get technical, you're gonna want 100 grams of banana. And then we're going to add our oat milk. You can use almond milk or coconut milk or whatever you like. I like oat milk. I just eyeball this recipe, but you can use 400 milliliters of whatever milk you want. But depending on if you're sharing this with somebody or if it's just for yourself, you might want to add a little less or a little more. And then you want 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. I'm using cinnamon because I found it's really good with the banana. This is what's going to give your ice cream the flavor. So you could go for like chocolate peanut butter or cookies and cream or something like that. But I like cinnamon. Then finally, you're gonna wanna put in like 5 grams of xanthan gum. This is basically just a thickener and it makes it nice and textured. You could put like a tablespoon, maybe half a tablespoon, and you can always add more if you want it to be thicker. And then finally, we're gonna add our ice. This recipe is basically just a lot of ice, and it gives it all of the volume, and it fills up your belly, and it's really good. Looks good to me. And that's it. I originally saw this recipe on TikTok. You may have seen it from Greg Doucette. I don't know how to actually say his name, but every time I post it, people are like, oh my gosh, Greg. I don't really know who Greg is, but if he made the recipe, credit to him. So you're just gonna wanna turn it on. And then I hit the puree button. You can hit whatever button you have or whatever button you want, but I'm gonna puree it for 2 minutes. And that only pureed it for 1 minute, so I'm gonna do another minute. But as you can see, there's a whole lot of volume in this. You can share it with somebody or you can have it to yourself. It's a lot though. If you want it to be like less voluminous, maybe put less xanthan gum and less ice. And then you can have like maybe this much instead. But it is great. See, look at that. It's great for like a movie night or something where you're just sitting and munching in front of the TV. I actually do that a lot with this. But it definitely is like soft serve. And if you do want it a little bit thicker, you can put it in the freezer for like 30-ish minutes and stir it up, and then you have a little bit of a thicker, nicer, more ice cream consistency. But I honestly think this consistency is better than Halo Top and better than a lot of the healthy ice creams that I've seen at the grocery store. And the cinnamon flavor protein that I use really masks the banana flavor. You don't necessarily have to use a banana. You can use raspberries, strawberries, any fruit you want. There's still a lot in here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's probably like this much left. And then I add a little bit of Ready Whip because it's delicious, that's why. But as you can see, there is a whole lot left in here, and I still have a lot of ice cream. So that is the whole recipe. It's so easy to make, and it only takes 2 minutes to do. If you want to cater it more to your macros, if you have more fats in the day, you can add peanut butter or whatever you want that has more fat in it. Or if you want it to be less carbs, you can use less banana or other fruit. So that's about it. Look at how beautiful. I'm gonna ruin it. Ice cream. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you try this recipe and I hope you love it. If not, Give me some more suggestions in the comments and I will do whatever your heart desires. I got recipes on deck, and look forward to next week's video, which will probably be a workout video or my Florida vlog. Thanks for watching. Peace out.